What up, Nick from Fisherman Source? It's side tracker season. The tuna are here. For a while, it was a troll bite. These have become, without question, the most popular thing people are trolling these days, especially the small boat center console guys. You know, you can set them, and I'm going to show you now, to track out to one of two different sides, whatever side of the boat you want, port or starboard. You can run 6 of them easily. A lot of guys will run them one 3 wakes, one 5 wakes, one 7 wakes back. Just real quick, a lot of people come in and ask how to deal with them. It's really simple. Basically, you have your little bird here, and you have your tracker. Pull this little notch out. You heard that, pulls it out, switch sides, notch it back down. Simple as that. Again, pull this little tab, pull that out, switch sides, you're back in the game. This is a 19-inch side tracker, so a smaller bar. All of the hook baits on these are done with heavy-duty mustad tuna hooks, skirted jet heads, and squids. I'm not gonna get into colors or anything crazy. You know, sand deal is popular. The rainbow here is popular. This is just more to kind of show how to readjust them. You got a 19-inch side tracker and your 36-inch side tracker. These are the most popular. These guys will run in between or in the middle of a big spread. But anyways, hope that helps. We'll see you.